everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! Okay, so guys, we made it. Oh, yes, and actually today is our second day here on beautiful Fuerteventura Island. As you guys haven't figured out, this is literally our second home, so yes, it's like going from one home to the next, except this home is a little bit warmer and sun is shining and there's beach. So I'm very happy to be here. As usual, I noticed that it's really hot here this time. Hotter than normal. It's like 32 Celsius. Gotta look that up and see what that is in degrees, but it's probably somewhere up in the 80s and 90s, I would imagine. The trip was good. The only thing is my feet are swelled up. Well, they've been swollen. They've actually gone a lot down. I don't know. I'm hearing that maybe I sat too much. Scary. Maybe too much salt intake. Oh gosh. All the things that people don't prepare you for when you get older. I mean, you hear about it, but then you think, I got time. These things aren't going to affect me, but shoot, dog. A little unfair. However, yeah, my feet were a little bit swollen. They've gone down quite a bit, but I don't know. We'll see if I'm going to be wearing heels and stuff. Yes. It's so beautiful here. It's so, I mean, I got to show you all this view. It's sunny, it's bright. I'm definitely going to need my hat. Yes, guys, so welcome back with me. Thanks for joining and thanks for hanging out with me. I will be continuing my journey with losing weight. And I've been pretty good with eating. I haven't indulged in eating. First night, went to an Indian restaurant. That was really good. Had a samosa. I love samosas. They're like these pocket, what would you say? These pocket, I don't know, what would you call it? Pocket, German is going through my head right now. It's like a little pie filled with vegetables. Oh, it's so delicious. It's great for a starter. And I had the samosa. They're so yummy. And then last night I had, which is really typical on the island, is garlic mushrooms. I had that with some rice and some vegetables. So I've been pretty good. I haven't been indulging in a lot of fattening food. And I don't know, maybe I need to watch my salt intake. Maybe that's causing swelled up feet. I'm not sure, but I've been drinking a lot of water. So anywho, guys, stick around. And yeah, today is beach. So don't go nowhere. Oh, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, welcome with me back to Fuerteventura. Yay! Okay, guys. See you in a bit, and don't go nowhere.